Casa Medici è una delle nuove ville di Castelfalfi che si affaccia sul borgo medievale. Per la sua ristrutturazione abbiamo scelto di collaborare con l'architetto Raёd Abillama, designer internazionale in grado di adattare il suo stile contemporaneo allo spirito ed alle tradizioni locali.
Castelfalfi has made contemporary style its distinctive trait, and this goes well with the imprint of my work. All the interiors here are revisited in a modern key, but the starting point is always the tradition and surrounding nature. In Casa Medici, our emphasis is high-end comfort and modern living within a whole preserved Tuscan architecture. In furnishing the space, we were mindful of generating a flowing harmony between color and element, yet still marking each individual spaces with a distinct experience. On the ground floor, the dining room and the salon are gathering places for family and friends, with materials and furnishing showcasing fine Italian craftsmanship, such as the big marble table and the marble kitchen island. Each bedroom is unique in design and in offerings of comfort. The baths highlight luxury with the merging of authentic stone and high-end fixtures. In the outdoor periphery, an intimate seating layout communicates with the magical Tuscan landscape and contain an emblematic statue and fountain, paralleling the identity of the historic region.